and welcome to the Anthony Scene.
To our essential people and frontliners, thank you for doing a great job. And to the protesters fighting a good fight, please stay safe.
In today's video, we're going to talk about how to plan a camping trip. Hey Anthony, I want to go camping. How do I plan a camping trip?
First, you need to ask how many people are going with you. Do you want to take your family and friends with you and have a fun and exciting time? Do you plan to have a romantic private getaway with your significant other? Or do you plan on going solo to find yourself and have some peace and quiet? Answering these questions will help you decide and plan the camping destination. Remember, the whole point of leaving the comforts of your own home is to make fond memories out of that trip.
I can't argue with that.
Next, you need to decide on which camping style that you and your guests might enjoy.
Camping style? Really? That sounds stupid. Don't you just go into the woods and pitch a tent?
Yes, you could do that, but in the past few decades, people who love the outdoors developed different ways of camping. And here are just 4 popular ways of enjoying the outdoors. There's roughing it, or going primitive. In this situation, it's just you and Mother Nature, with hardly any modern necessities. Like if you need to go to the bathroom, you look for a bush for some privacy, dig a hole, then do your business kind of situation. A step up from this style is tent camping. Tent camping to me means setting up a tent at a campground where some modern necessities are provided for you, like a picnic table, food storage, trash bins, outhouses or restrooms, and maybe just a few more other things. Next is a slightly upgraded way of tent camping, which is car camping. Car camping is exactly what it sounds like. You drive your car right up to the campsite, park, set up a tent right next to it, or literally just spend the night sleeping in your car. And finally, glamping. Glamping is a new trend of enjoying the outdoors. It is a fusion of glamour and camping where stunning nature meets modern luxury. I personally think that YouTube, Instagram, and other social media platforms help create this movement. But I'm glad to see that this trend helps promote ecotourism all across the globe. I'll go into more details about these camping styles and other ways to enjoy the outdoors in future videos.
That would be interesting to look forward to.
Now, after picking the camping style that you and your guests might enjoy, you may need to book and reserve in advance right away. In my experience, a majority of state and national parks require you to reserve a spot in a campground, have certain types of passes, and obtain permits for certain activities. These forms help regulate the maintenance of the park, and the money generated from the corresponding fees also helps with the upkeep. Keep in mind that many campgrounds fill up 6 months in advance, and the first come first served sites are available at some parks. You should call or check out the website of the park that you wish to visit for more information on what forms you need to fill out, what you need to prepare, and see the availability of the campsite that you wish to stay at.
Wait, that sounds like a lot of work.
In reality, not so much. It's just like booking your own hotel, flight, tours, and so on. The worst thing that could happen if you don't book or reserve in advance is that you just go home earlier than what you planned. You wouldn't want to look for a camping site when it's getting dark.
Okay, is there anything else I need to know?
Well, I think all you have to do now, after doing all that, is to check the weather forecast. Pack accordingly and pack only what you need. If you have some extra space, bring something to entertain yourself during some downtime, like a pack of playing cards, a board game, or even a book. Ooh, and if you are of drinking age, don't forget to bring a bottle of your favorite drink. But drink moderately because you don't want to get into any trouble out there in the middle of nowhere. Thanks for watching this video, and if I forgot anything about how to plan a camping trip or you have any other suggestions, please let us know.
Don't forget to like and comment And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe.
And I'll see you on the trail someday.